In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on security and privacy. Then click on lock screen. And when you're ready, select one of those login methods: PIN, password, or pattern. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, you need to create your login method over here. If you made a mistake or change your mind, hit Retry at the bottom left corner and redo it correctly. If you are sure of your choice, hit Continue at the bottom right one. Repeat your login method to confirm it and choose Confirm button. Now, you can manage lock screen notifications by checking out all of those options here, or switch them off fully thanks to this switcher at the top. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen, turn it back on, and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!